This video is for the patterns within cubic functions notes. So vocabulary again. This time we're looking for third differences. This is a list of common differences between the third successive y values, change in y, when first differences between successive x values, the change in x, are also a common difference. These are going to represent cubic functions. Cubic functions have a dependent third common difference when there is an independent first common difference. Patterns in y values have a non-zero common third difference. Okay, same process that we've been doing. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 6 minus 5 equals 1. I have a common, an independent first common difference. Now I've got to go to the dependent side. Okay, 9 minus 8 equals 1. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 25 minus 14 equals 11. 44 minus 25 equals 19. Again, use your calculator. It is okay. 73 minus 44 equals 29. I am not using a calculator right now, just so you're not sitting here all night long watching me type numbers into a calculator. Okay? Just understand that if you need to use a calculator, it is okay. All right. These are not the same, so I got to start over. 5 minus 1 gives me a 4. 11 minus 5 gives me a 6. 19 minus 11 gives me an 8. 29 minus 19 gives me a 10. Still not the same. Gotta do it again. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now I have my common difference. It's a third common difference. So again, from a table, if I have to do it 3 times, this is a cubic function. And I know that you probably don't have much experience with cubic functions. That's okay. You're going to get experience in this class with cubic functions. So my independent first common difference is a 1. My dependent third common difference is a 2. All right, another table here. My change here in the x, negative 13 plus 5 gives me a negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5 gives me a negative 3. Negative 3 plus 5 gives me a 2. 2 plus 5 gives me 7. 7 plus 5 gives me 12. That is my independent first common difference. Okay, I don't have a lot of room to write here, so what I'm going to do, you do not have to write this down if you don't want to. If you would like to write it on a separate piece of paper, I will show you how to glue it in with your notes. You're more than welcome to use sticky notes. You guys will learn pretty quick that I'm pretty easygoing here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that sticky, actually, I'm going to put that sticky here so you can see everything at once. All right, here we go. Negative. Whoa. Why does it look all wonky? Okay. Negative 497 minus negative 2182. I got 1685. All right. Negative 12 minus negative 497. 485. Negative, ooh, not negative. 23 minus negative 12. All right. Subtraction goes in between numbers. Negatives go in front of numbers. Make sure that you're using the right key in your calculator. 35. 358 minus 23 is 335. 1743 minus 358, 1385. Nothing in common, so I got to do it again. 485 minus 1685. Negative 1200. 35 minus 485. Negative 450. 335 minus 35 is 300. 1385 minus 335, 1050. Still not the same. Do it again. Negative 450 minus negative 1200, 750. 300 minus a negative, I know it seems weird, 750. One for good luck, one to check and make sure I did the rest of my math right. 750. It's much more accurate if you compare three values over two, especially at least two, not just one. That just helps verify your math. So my third common difference here is 750.